Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cardo Bluetooth device. First, ensure your unit has a full charge, which typically takes about 4 hours from empty. To power it on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. You will see a solid blue light indicating it is active. This readiness is crucial before proceeding with any connections. Now, let us activate the phone pairing mode on your Cardo unit. Press and hold the phone button for approximately 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing in an alternating red and blue pattern. This distinctive flash signals that your device is actively searching for a smartphone to connect with. Keep your phone nearby to facilitate a quick connection. With your Cardo unit in pairing mode, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. You should see Cardo Freecom or a similar name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Your phone might ask for confirmation. Simply accept. A solid blue light on your Cardo will confirm a successful pairing. Beyond your phone, your Cardo unit excels at connecting with other Cardo devices for seamless intercom communication. To do this, simply activate intercom pairing mode on both units by holding the intercom button for 5 seconds. The system also supports connecting a second phone or even a GPS device. This versatility ensures you stay connected on all your journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.